In fact, in all other ways, you don't really have any relationship to that company. You just basically bought a visa from them. So this scheme is all too common, and I have to tell you, and I know a lot of people, who have these kinds of visas, or I know of people, and but I just from a legal standpoint, this is not proper. This is not in line with the law. In other words, it's illegal because ultimately it's based on like a fake employment. As I mentioned earlier, the law is pretty. The law is pretty clear, and that's in particular the Cabinet Resolution number 1 of 2022, which is Article 6. Clearly, that's the employment law in particular that says employment-based residency must reflect an actual job registered with your specific agency or MOHRE. And the employment residence permit must reflect actual employment, job title, and salary. What that means is that if you have an employment visa, let's say you're an admin or an office boy or office girl that's listed, you must be working for that company doing that job in simple terms. And if you don't have that, then you're violating and the employment law and the immigration law.